So how was this session, Permita? This session.
It's lot of information I get from you, and
Lot of good
yeah,
information, right?
yes, lot of good information that I didn't know before.
What three things did you learn from this session?
To not to focus on ROI,
Okay.
first thing. Then the backup, whatever you tell, that I have to build a good backup for my
back end.
Yeah, yes, back end, yes. And yeah, building relationships with the customers.
Building
Very vital.
relationships with the customers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say if you can build 100, if I say, can you build maybe, let's make this a quiz, right? Let's say if I ask you, okay, Permita, can you generate 100,000 subscribers in the next 1 year? Tell me.
100 or 1,000?
And 1 lakh subscribers in the next 1 year.
In 1 year.
Not possible. Technically, it's no, right?
No.
Based on your current level, right?
No,
Right?
yeah.
Technically, it's no, right? But let's say if I tell you, okay, Permita, can you actually can you actually talk to 500 people in the next 1 year? Can you talk to 500 people in the next 1 year and make, and you said yes, right? And make maybe 50 relationships out of it, business relationships, right? Relationships based on value, right? The answer is yes, right?
Yes.
And if these 50 relationships based on value can give you, $20 into 50, next year you're earning $1,000 per month, right? See, understand, those claims that people make are start earning $1,000 in 30 days, start earning in, $5,000 in 60 days, 90 days. Permita, I'll tell you something, it's bullshit. I was never able to do that when I started, right? I never found that secret strategy of making that kind of money in a short period of time. I was able to make good money when I had enough knowledge, right? And when I was able to implement and execute enough. Later on, I learned the fact that it's not those 100,000 subscribers that are important, but it's those 100 relationships that is going to convert.
Yes,
into sales.
absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
So thank you for giving me this feedback, Permit. I really appreciate that.